This kid, 30 years old, was just a tourist visiting his mom in the United States. Found our YouTube channel, looked at what we're talking about with the CSPA, and realized maybe he can get a green card. We were able to use the new CSPA law, freeze his age back to when he was 20, and he got his green card as a 30-year-old. This is a crazy case. I want to share that with you. Let's go. Hi everyone, my name is Joseph. I'm the managing partner here at Tsang and Associates, where we solve legal problems with creative solutions. The first problem is that he's 30 years old. He couldn't get a green card with his parents like 6-7 years ago when his whole family got a green card, because by then he was already a 23-year-old, 24-year-old. He was too old. You need to be under 21. However, in 2023, there's a new CSPA law that went into effect. Not many people know about it, but then he saw our series of CSPA videos explaining what the new law is, scheduled consultation, and now we were able to help them calculate. So the kid was born in 1994. We were able to freeze his age on October 2015. And then the processing of his immigration case took a year, and so the general CSPA law says, if we are taking a long time to process your case, we'll subtract that from the time of your freezing of your age. He is officially 20 years old, even though he's already 30 now in the US as a tourist. We prepared this entire package. We filed it with USCIS, and within a few months, he got his green card. The other complication to this case is that he's a tourist, because normally you come in as a tourist. If you change your status too quickly, then it looks suspicious. It looked like you lied to an immigration officer. So 90 days is usually what USCIS is kind of looking for, but it's not a strict rule. And in their case, I clearly explained, you didn't know about the law change. You came in as a tourist. There's nothing you could have possibly knew that you wanted to stay. You had a return ticket prepared, you scheduled a consultation. The proof of this consultation is a proof of a change of mind, right? You had a consultation, you realized the new law applies to you, so you decided to stay. So we were able to put the case together, prepare it, and we filed the case, and the case got approved. There are so many people who are stuck overseas who don't realize that in order for them to use the new CSPA calculation, they need to be in the United States. We are seeing right now so many CSPA denials in the United States because USCIS, they then internally haven't trained all of their staff. And I have seen so many people file 45 cases on their own and did not include the CSPA calculation and did not include the memos. And now we're doing motion to reopen. Those are still in process. When we get those approvals, we'll do separate videos. But as of right now, in 2024, we're just seeing so many denials. This new law went into effect last year. So when you submit a case, if you're doing it on your own, or if you're doing it for a client in a different law firm, do it as if you are the supervisor, you are the USCIS supervisor, and you are teaching an intern doing it for the first time. That's how we do almost all of our cases. We prepare the case as if the person reading it knows nothing about this case and why it deserves to be approved, and the unique circumstance that pertains to them and how to calculate everything out. 6 pages of attorney brief, single-spaced, calculating everything, the clear timeline of everything that happened and why they qualify. This is on top of the cover letter that explains everything that we're providing. That's on top of the supporting documents and exhibits and addendums. This is just purely the story. And we spend weeks preparing this. But if you are a confused officer and you're doing this case for the first time, wouldn't you like to have this? Your goal is to treat them as if they are your partners and your associates. We're all in this together. That's how we were able to win this case. Just want to share that with you. And then if you have any questions about CSPA, if you got a request for evidence for CSPA, if you got a NOID, notice of intent to deny, if you got a denial, please, if you believe you qualify, reach out to us. We'll help you fight it. Take care.